Sir Albert, Kylie, gaano kayo nakarelate sa movie na to, The Lotto Winner, as ang tandem nyo dito mag-ama? Kylie?
May aspects na nakaka-relate siya, especially the forgiveness part. But the whole, ang ganda ng kwento on its own eh. So, as actors, we have what we can offer sa mga nakaka-relate, but then doon ay papasok yung craft. And napakaganda talaga ng story, so it speaks on its own.
Yeah. Sir Albert, watching it, sorry to ask, nag-flashback po ba yung mga nangyari in a personal level? Sorry to ask, Sir Alvin.
Well, actually, yeah. The first time we watched it, I couldn't control my tears. Kasi the memory of losing a loved one is really painful. I've lost a loved one. It's been 15 years now, but then again, it's like just yesterday. And the film is somewhat very close to home. So, maraming kampako na going through the process. And I'm sure they can relate on how yung struggle, the journey, and how to recover and how to move forward. But then again, in reality, some people say it's easy. It's not.
Yeah. Thank you for answering. Since this is a father-daughter story,
Yes.
reaction mo lang, may tatakbo daw si Sen. Robin Padilla if sasabihan ni President Rodrigo Duterte for Vice President. Your thoughts lang as the daughter.
Aalis na ako ng Pilipinas.
Why naman?
I have no reaction, but aalis na ako ng Pilipinas.
Grabe naman. Are you supporting his political
Aalis
career?
na po ako ng Pilipinas. Yun lang po ang comment. Hindi, wala lang. Ano lang naman. I trust in my father's judgment. Yun na lang po.
Yeah, thank you so much.